So today we'll start how to get a value by a user in array in Java. Okay. So first of all, I want to share with you, if you want to get a value by a user, then you have to mention this package. Okay, the class name is scanner, which is the util package, and util is into the Java package. Okay, then I create an object of the scanner class, scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, and I declared a variable with the array arr equal to new 5. Okay, so first of all I will write a code system dot out print, and it is a message print, enter your values. Okay, now fine. Okay, you want to enter you want to get all value by a user. So first of all you have to create a loop. Okay, and loop start from 0, equal 5. Now write this code for the scanning. So I just write my variable name is arr and I equal to sc. Sc is the object of scanner class. Okay, dot next int. Okay, fine. This is the value. For separation I write another line and write here anything, just a separation. Okay, and I write again this loop, just copy and paste, and just copy and paste. Okay, so remove this line and write here only arr of I. Okay, it's a simple code, it's not difficult. So just run this code, run this program. Okay, it is asking for the value. I pass 3, I pass 2, I pass 1, I pass 6, I pass 8, and enter. My value is 32168. I just write ln. Okay, ln. Now run this program. Ask again 1 6 3 2 7, enter. Okay, this is the full code, full answer. This is the input in green and this is the output. Okay, 1 6 3 2 7. Any problem? I think no. So we will discuss in next video function or method. What is the function, what is the method? Okay, so we will discuss in the next video. Just follow this poster, and please follow this poster and subscribe and share this video. Okay, thank you.